Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how to install Blender on Mac computer, but the procedure will be the same for Windows computer. So if you are Windows environment or Linux environment, don't worry, the steps will be the same. At first, we need to go to download Blender. We can download Blender from blender.org. Just open any of your favorite browser and then type blender.org and hit your enter or return key of your keyboard. You will see this type of page. So from here you can easily download Blender. So to download Blender, at first we have to come this website. After that, click on the download link. So after that, you'll find download Blender and the latest version is there. Right now I am seeing the version to download Blender is MacOS. Okay, but if you are in other environment like Windows or Linux, what you have to do, you have to come this drop down Windows, Linux and other versions. Just click here and you will see all the versions: Windows, then MacOS, Linux and many other things. Okay, so you can also choose from there, and all the installation method will be the same. At first we need to download, so we can download by clicking here. For Windows version, just select there and then you can start downloading. And once you click there, then you will see at the bottom of your browser that Blender is started downloading. It is a big size, not big, basically it is almost 200 megabyte size. The real size is 191, and it will take some time based on the internet speed of your computer. Once the download is completed, then what we have to do, we have to go to the download location. So I am going to open the download location of my computer to see whether Blender is there or not. So I am seeing that the Blender is almost downloading. The download will be finished within next couple of seconds. It is showing like 4 2 3 1 seconds and done. So once the Blender software is downloaded successfully, then you will find this type of thing: Blender, then the version number and the operating system name. For me, I am using Mac computer, that is, it is showing Mac OS. If you are using Windows, then you will see Windows operating systems. Now we can minimize this thing or close this thing because we don't need this screen anymore. And then let's come to the download location. Okay, so right now we have the software we need to install. To install, just double click on top of it, and then very soon you will find on top of message. So for Mac it is like this way, opening Blender, this thing, but for Windows it will be some other way, like next thing. Okay, so now what I have to do, we have to drag and drop it in the apps location. Okay, and then it will be over there. So now close this thing and it will take some time. See, it is doing something. Once the process is complete, then you are ready. Once Blender installation is completed, then for Mac we can open Blender by holding command key and Excel bar all together, and then the spotlight search will be there. So just start typing BLEN, then you will find the Blender is popping over there. So just double click over there and then the Blender window will be opened. So in this way you can easily install Blender. Once install is complete, whenever you will run the application for the first time, you will get this type of message: blender.app is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open? We know, yes, we downloaded it and we want to open it, so we have to hit open button. And once the Blender is open, then you will find this type of thing. Now you can start your own animation or model creation. If you really enjoy this video and is helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.